Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do hard reset OPPO F17 smartphone. Okay, to do hard reset, first power off your smartphone. Just press and hold power key and now slide down to power off. Okay, now it is successfully power off. Now press and hold volume down and power key together for a few seconds. Just press and hold it for a few seconds. Now release. So you can see, now select language. The volume rocker is to move up and down and power button to select, and you can also use touch feature. Now go to wipe data and you can see please enter verification code. You can see please enter verification code, which is 3559. Enter it, 3559, and you can see wipe data, retain contacts, messages and photos, and format data. Now go to format data and select, and you can see all user data will be reset. Now select format, or you can also tap on format. So you can see wiping data, please wait, do not perform any other operations. So here you can see wiped successfully. Now tap on OK. So guys, this is the method to do hard reset OPPO F17 smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for latest updates.